don't need this no more. This will replace this? Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? If this is your first time here, my name is Shelmar Williams. Welcome, welcome, welcome. On this channel, what we do here is product review, wear test, tutorial, and some vlog. If these are things that you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe, share these videos, and like this video. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So, what we're here to talk about today is a new mascara from Benefit. Yes, and I'm going to be doing a comparison because I have another favorite also from Benefit, and I want to see which one I really love. Now, the new one from Benefit is they are real magnet, and that's what it looks like. Yep, they're real magnet. Now, the hype about this thing is that is 40% longer lashes. It retails around $27 and it says to last up to 36 hours. It is smudge proof, flake proof, and also it gives an extreme length, as I said, which is what we all want to achieve. We want to get that lash looking really long, and it's very lightweight and flexible. Now, this is what it looks like. You guys already know how Benefit does that. They have that on the top just to identify that's as a magnet. Now, what I really love about this mascara is the brush. That's what the hype is about. It actually has a magnet. And what that means is, let me get back my mirror. And what that mean is the brush has a magnet beneath here, so when you hold your lashes and from the root, of course, and pull it up, it really holds, like there's this magnet technology that holds your lashes together and it pulls it through and separate the lashes, so you're not getting any clunky. They're all separated. And let me tell you, I tried it, I've worn it, and I was looking like, what? Yes. So I am not going to use it on the top lashes because I will be wearing falsy. What I'm going to be doing with this is put it on the bottom part of my lashes on this side. And then I have another favorite from Benefit, and this is the Roller Lash. Now, the Roller Lash was raving before they released this one. So I just want to know which one is better. I'm just like that. So this is what the Roller Lash packaging look like. And I'm telling you, I really love this one. So this one better do something different. The only thing is, this one only lasts 12 hours. And this one lasts 36 hours. I don't know where would I be going for 36 hours anyway. But again, you have that additional benefit if you need it. But this lasts for 12 hours. And it's a super curling lifting mascara. Super curling. And I'm telling you, I didn't need to wear any falsy when I use this mascara here. And again, this is one of my favorite. I've left Fenty. Yes, I have left Fenty. But this is what it looks like. And I am telling you, this thing is the best thing since sliced bread. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also apply this one onto the bottom lash on this side, and just to see if it gives me that look that I'm looking to achieve. I want to look like I have something, and I really don't have lashes down there nor above. But today, for the sake of this test, I am going to do here on the bottom lashes, and then falsy on the top. So we'll see what it looks like. So let's get right into this tutorial. Yeah, let's get right into it. So now it's around 9 hours since I did my makeup and used the mascara. And remember what I did was they are real magnets on this side, and I also use the Roller Lash on this side. So what we're gonna do is look and see what we're working with, right? Let me get my mirror. All right, so let me move in a little closer so you guys can see. Let me get close up and personal, isn't it? Yes. All right. So remember, this is on this side and this is on this side. And basically what I did was I put it on the bottom lashes, right? So you can see. Yeah, I think that's a better view. So this is supposed to be 12 hours and this is 36 hours, right? The mascara did not move. I only applied one layer. Close, look at that. So that's adding. So you're able to build the layers if you want to. I just wanted to keep it a little natural and not add a second layer, but you can layer it up, and I love that. So that is what the other side, which is a Roller Lash. So let's add another layer on the Roller Lash and see what it looks like. So this is the Roller Lash with two layers, and they are magnets with 2 layers. I love both. I really do. I think it gives me what I'm looking for. It gives what I'm looking for. So again, those are the 2 mascara that I want to talk about. Again, this is the new one that just come out. So if you do not have a lot of lashes up or bottom and they're just like everywhere, I think this will be really good to use. It will give you a lot of volume, and also if you have a little, this will give you a lot of volume. So again, these are 2 good buys, but I really prefer this one. Yes, can you believe it? I prefer, they are real magnets. I really do. I really do. So that's all I have, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Leave a comment below. Like these videos, share these videos, and I'll see you on my very